and get right into it. So I'll just show you what I have. So I'm just going to show you how to set up your environment first. And I have a file here, which gives me just steps on what needs. So the first thing is the IDE, right? So the IDE that I'm going to be using in this tutorial is it's Atom. There's the website there. I think I'll put everything on the description. So you download Atom. I'm using a Mac, so download Atom there. And once you download it, you can set it up. It's quite easy. It comes in a zip file like that, and then you unzip it and you basically install it. The next thing we're gonna need is Bootstrap 3. I'm using Bootstrap 3 for this tutorial. Bootstrap 3. There is the browser there, getbootstrap.com/docs. Yeah, 3. Obviously, 4 is currently out, and 5 actually. Maybe we'll do something around that. You go to the download Bootstrap button, and then from there you download the source files. That's what you'll need to download, and once you download that, you get the zip file like that. You extract that. When you extract that, you go to the distribution folder, and then you just get the min.bootstrap. That's what we're gonna be needing in the CSS, and you go to the JS and you get the the bootstrap the minified version, basically the compressed version. And the next item we'll need is font awesome, because it's just an awesome font. It's just a kid. It's just for icons. Bootstrap has its own icons, but I don't use them. I prefer to use font awesome. And when you get a font awesome, where do we start? You get the free package. You start for free. You download font awesome. Once you download, it will give you once again the zip file like that. Let me just show you. You get a zip file like file folder. You extract it, and when you get here, you go to CSS. You get the all.min, meaning that you want everything. And then in your JS as well, you get the all minified version. And the last resource we need is jQuery. Yes, I know it's 2021, but yes, for this purpose, this is really for beginner. That's why you're getting the jQuery, because Bootstrap 3 still works with jQuery. You go to the download, click on the download. You want the minified, the download, the compressed for production like that, right? It comes that way. Now what you can do is you say control save like that, and then of course you change whatever name you want it to be called, and then you pass it on to you copy it to the folder that you want it, where your project is going to be. And for me, I just called it jQuery.min like that, because it is a minified version. And what else do I have? Well, I have a CSS folder, I have a JS folder, and I also have an img folder which contains all my images. And in the img folder, I got some images which I'm going to be using in this tutorial setup already. I didn't want to bore you with the Photoshop side of things, so I already prepared the images. And if you want the sizes, I think this is 600 by 400, as in 600 width and then 400 height, and the big ones are just big. Yes, there we go. All right, so we're just gonna set it up quickly. So what we can do is we're gonna just come to our folder, right? I'll just right click there, create a new file, call it index.html, right? And we just start an HTML page like that, and he gives us that, and we can call it cars for fun, right? like that. And I think there is our file. Then we can continue on the next one.